Murray & Roberts was established in 1902. Now, this one's got history, so to speak.
Remember, it's got the same mix of construction, contracting, and engineering projects. It's been around the world. It's had a little bit of a interesting transition, and it's announced by way of a cautionary that it plans to restructure its business completely and probably dispose of its core construction business to a Black Economic Empowerment Group that currently has no involvement in the industry. So what will be left will be mostly the engineering know-how, I think, but that's what we need to kind of get our heads around in this conversation.
Market cap 4.8 billion rand, PE ratio here of 6.9 and a dividend yield of 4%. So still paying money to shareholders despite a really tough time for Murray & Roberts. And again, let's get the share price graph because that gives us the context for our discussion.
And I think, yeah, that definitely gives you the context of the dividend yield as well. So when you have a collapsing share price, I mean, historic dividend yields, always look a little bit inflated. But overall, I mean, Murray's has been a fairly good dividend payer, but huge amount of challenges facing the company.
How do you think this transaction is going to work?
So yeah, like looking at Henry Loss, I mean, he's been trying to turn around the company, and
he's been in place as the CEO for some time now.
For some time, and I mean, they've been going through their new strategic future plan, which is to really try and shift the business around. I mean, and that's why you're seeing a larger stake in oil projects. I mean, 40% of the revenue is now coming from oil and gas as well. So, and it's a very different type of sector to build in as well. It's not the traditional building. I don't know on the BE transaction. I mean, you're going to probably have more to say on that than me. But looking at it, I mean, remember, even with the restructuring, I mean, there's still a lot of legacy issues outstanding. I mean, they've got the Gautrain litigation still hanging over them. They've got the Dubai airport. There's a lot of cases pending as well.
There's also the case of the bridge and the legal issues around there. There's another court case.
Yeah, absolutely. So there is another court case around there. But that, from an actual revenue point of view, it's probably not going to have a significant financial impact on the group. They've also got obviously insurance in place to cover that. That I think is more of the reputational damage than anything else. But again, I think Henry Loss did a very good job in handling that crisis.
Okay, hot or not, we're going to call it.
No, I don't. Look, it's critical that we get our heads around what's going to happen with the proposed deal. So there's possibly some value unlock because it's possible that they may be able to vend parts of the business, which unlocks value. But I think at the moment it's very difficult to know just what will be left, what it will be worth. So I think it's a not hot for now.
Not hot?
Yeah, not hot.